Hello and welcome to ZeroEffortTrading.com. My name is Jared and I'll be walking you through how to put the Trig Trader ES strategy on your chart, as well as give you a brief settings overview of it. Now the first thing you need to do is quite simply open up NinjaTrader. Next thing you need to do is bring up a chart. In this case we will be on the ES. Now if your box right here for strategies is grayed out, either you're not connected to a data source, or you're having some trouble with it, or you have the chart trader open. As you can see, it is now grayed out. This is so you can't take orders, take trades while the strategy is running, because, well, if it's long and you make it go short and it still thinks it's long, then you're going to have some problems. Now once you close that and you can click on this, go ahead and click it. Next you scroll down and find your strategy, in this case Trig Trader ES. Double click that and I'll move it down here, and with it highlighted you can come over here and make changes to the settings. Now you only have 3 settings really that really mess with the strategy. You have end hour, start hour, and contracts. Contracts is how many contracts are going to be traded at each time. Right now we'll leave it set at 1. Start hour and end hour need to be set at 9 and 14 respectively Eastern Standard Time. Now since I'm on Central Time, I'll go ahead and change these to 8 and 13, or whatever setting your computer set at. Now this is so no matter where you are in the world, you'll always be able to trade at the right times and everything will always work out right. Next you come down here to Enabled. Either double click this or click on it, click this arrow and change it to True. This will actually turn on the strategy. Next you need to come down here to where it says Sync Account Position and change that to True. Now what Sync Account Position does is, say you come in late during the day or you forgot to put the strategy on or something, and you put it on, if it was or should be in a trade and you sync account position, it will automatically put in the orders and get you in the right position. Now it does this because if it goes from historical to real time and it thinks it's long when you're flat, it will still have the a take profit and a stop loss in. Now once it hits those, the strategy will be flat. It will think it's flat, but you'll be long or short depending on which direction it was going. And that can really mess up your day when your strategy is trading thinking, hey, I'm flat, when you're actually short or long. Now once you have all that done, all you do is come down here, click OK. And if you have a little message pop up, just click OK, and that puts the strategy on your chart. Now you may be wondering, well, what if I don't have it on the right chart? How will I know? Or what settings does it actually need to be on? Or will it take a trade if, say, I put it on an oil chart and it's supposed to be on ES? Well, these are all good questions, and I've already thought of that and programmed it in for you. If it detects it is not on the right settings, the strategy will not take a trade, and we'll throw you up a nice little warning message. As soon as this loads up, maybe we should go to oil. There we go. Now, see the screen's all red, says please switch your chart to a 12 range ES chart. So once you go over here and switch it back to a 12 range ES chart, everything's all fine and dandy, and it'll trade as normal. And well, this pretty much sums up this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at zeroefforttech@gmail.com or zeroefforttrading@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.